Hey, I'm Cole. I make over and restore furniture. In today's quick video, I want to show you not 10, but 11 tools that I generally use on every single piece of furniture that I make over, restore, or flip for a profit. Every single thing I show you I use, and I would never recommend anything that I haven't tried and don't trust. Now, if you want to get your hands on one or maybe all of these tools, I recommend dropping the link to this video into Santa's inbox as a gentle hint. Now let's get into it. I use each of these tools on almost every piece I work on, and at the time of filming this video, you can buy this complete kit for around $450 US brand new from Amazon. That is every single one in the same brand that I'm showing you here. Now you can of course get cheaper or more expensive brands, and you do not have to buy brand new, but please consider your safety when using power tools that have been pre-owned. So in no particular order, let's start with my orbital sander. This particular sander is a total workhorse with a powerful 3 amp motor, and you can believe me when I say I have put this to the test. It has a compact yet solid build, easily handled all the drops in my workshop like a boss, and the anti-vibration design means no numb hands. The dust collection is very efficient with a one-handed lock dust bag, but you can easily attach your own vacuum system if you would like. This sander has had a daily workout for over 12 months, and it continues to deliver smooth results like the day I got it. So if you sand for hours on end, I would avoid a battery powered sander, and if you can only fit one power tool into your budget, I recommend you consider an orbital sander. It'll save you the most time and energy and give you a nice smooth surface to paint or refinish. And that leads me to number 2. A shop vac. It is not until you attach a shop vac to your sander that you realize how much dust they actually do collect. I used to have to wipe down my workshop from top to bottom, but not now. I attach this to my sander and it works wonders. It also helps with the longevity of your sandpaper as it extracts the dust through these holes and helps minimize buildup. It's very handy when cleaning up cobwebs, etc. from old furniture, and although it's not a proper air filtration system, using this in conjunction with a mask is much better than nothing. A hammer. There is a very good chance you already have one of these, and it likely works exactly the same as this one. So, why did I pick this one? Because I think it looks good, and that's pretty much it, folks. It's a vanity hammer. So if you don't have a hammer yet, you can spend about $30 on this one, or half the price on a different one. Or even better, go to a car boot sale and rehome one for a $5. Alrighty, it's carbide scraper time. Without word of a lie, this tool has got to be my most favourite tool in my furniture flipping toolkit. This scraper isn't just any scraper, it is the legend of scrapers. I've used it on countless projects, and in my opinion it is the most effective tool to remove paint and varnish. The double-sided carbide blade is a solid workhorse. It's sharp and corrosion resistant, meaning the blade works dozens of times longer than traditional blades, making this scraper a great investment. So if you're looking to avoid chemical stripper, this is your answer. You will not regret it. I have been putting these Irwin clamps to the test now for a few months, so if you're looking for a clamp that packs a punch but won't break the bank, these ones might be for you. These particular clamps come as a pair. They've got plenty of clamping force and a one-handed quick trigger release, which will release the clamp instantly, making these bad boys perfect for a variety of projects. From crafts to cabinets, I guarantee these clamps will give you all the grip you need. I have found this Japanese saw extremely useful for a variety of projects. I love the flexibility of the blade, and it's useful for both rip and cross cuts. It's given me fantastic results, and honestly is one of the most used tools in my workshop. It's well made, nice to hold, and it hangs nicely on my tool rack. So if you're looking for a Japanese saw with plenty of bang for your buck, this one is a great option. Screwdrivers. These kind of go without saying. Super useful for removing hardware, disassembling furniture, and of course when you need to remove those batteries from your toddler's drum machine. I chose these ones because I trust the brand. I like they came in a case, there's a good variety, and they have magnetic tips. These are the kind of thing you can definitely find on the Facebook Marketplace. There are plenty for sale, so make sure you do your research. It honestly doesn't feel all that long ago that I was using a drill with a power cord. Don't get me wrong, they work just as well, you just don't have the flexibility or mobility. Drilling holes is generally what I use this for, but I do often use it as an electric screwdriver when I've got lots of screws to undo or rescrew. The light on it is super handy, especially for me in the depth of the dark UK winter. One thing to consider when getting battery operated tools is the brand. Sometimes it's a good idea to stick with one brand so the battery can be universal, as they are quite expensive things. And that brings me to my next battery operated tool, the multi-tool. This can be used with a variety of attachments, but my go-to is for cutting wood, and also I use the sanding adapter. That's great for corners and awkward spots that my orbital sander can't access. I just purchased the skin as I use the battery from my drill on this tool as well. This may seem small and insignificant, but a Stanley knife is a necessity for so many things, but for me, I mostly use it for veneer repairs. Easy to handle, it's cheap to replace the blades, and a sharp blade delivers a high degree of accuracy. Last but not least, and possibly my most beloved tool, a vintage screwdriver. They don't make them like they used to. These are made from tough steel that is hardened to reduce wear. It comes in handy for opening paint tins and all sorts of odd jobs that would likely ruin my newer screwdrivers. I got this for a fiver at a flea market and I absolutely couldn't go without it. I hope you found that useful. I'll leave a link in the description of this video that'll take you directly to all of those products. I'll put a few smaller gift ideas and stocking stuffers in there as well. So happy flipping, and until next time, take it easy.